Want to send money instantly using Zelle through your Chase account? Well, let's set it up. Well, first, ensure you have a Chase checking account, as Zelle is not available with savings account. Open the Chase mobile app or visit chase.com and sign in. In the app, tap on the Pay and Transfer menu and select Send Money with Zelle. On the website, navigate to the Pay and Transfer tab and choose Send Money with Zelle. If you are enrolling for the first time, you'll be prompted to accept the Zelle transfer service, addendum, review, and accept the terms. Next, you'll need to enroll an email address or US mobile number. Choose the one you would like to use for sending and receiving money and follow the prompts to verify it. After verification, link your eligible Chase checking account to Zelle. Once everything is set up, you're ready to send and receive money instantly with Zelle. To send money, tap on Send Money with Zelle, select a recipient from your contacts, or add a new one. Enter the amount and confirm the transaction. That's it. You're all set to use Zelle through your Chase account. If this video helped, tap like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want a tutorial on requesting money or using Zelle with your business account next. Until then, I'll catch you in the next video.